Hi there, welcome to my video on how to integrate and utilize Wizebank Analytics integration with your Thinkific business. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. One, how you can set up Wizebank Analytics with your Thinkific account and why you'd want to do that, what the advantages are, and then two, give you an overview of what it looks like after you've installed and integrated Wizebank Analytics with your Thinkific account. So first of all, I just want to give you a quick overview about why this is important. I've talked a little bit about like all the different automations and data that you'll want to be tracking in your Thinkific business. But Wizebank Analytics is something a little bit different than all the other videos that I've covered before. First of all, Wizebank Analytics is something that you can think of as a dashboard. Let me just quickly show you here in my tab is that, as you see, this is my dashboard and this is linked to my Thinkific partner account. And so everything here is going to show you all the important key business data, such as, conversions from Google Analytics on your website and traffic, subscribers, so like email marketing, how many people are opening and are reading your newsletter, and then also revenue. So how is your Thinkific online course business doing? How much sales are you getting? How much products are you selling? So all those really key important metrics for your business all in one place. And the best thing is that Wizebank is free. The most important thing about Wizebank is that it allows you to kind of have this one place, this sort of dashboard, as we like to call it in the SaaS world, that kind of covers all these key performance metrics such as revenue, conversion from your website and traffic, email, subscriber engagement, and then customers. You can also add, I'll show you how it all looks in the back end where all this data is being pulled from. But first, let's get started. And if you've never set up Wizebank Analytics, I'll show you how you can do that. First of all, I'm already logged into my partner account, and you'll want to log into your Thinkific account as well. And then click on apps, and you'll want to click on the Visit App Store because the App Store is where you'll find all your integrations and different software that connects to your Thinkific business. So once I click on Visit App Store, I will see all these different suggestions on programs. So what you'll want to do, I've already installed it, but if you haven't installed it, what you want to do is just click on Wizebank, search Wizebank, and then you will see then Wizebank Analytics here. Click on it, and then click on Install. Just a note that you will need to sign in before you can install, and then go through all the different steps to connect and set up your Thinkific account with Wizebank Analytics. Now, assuming that step has been done and it's successful, it should be very easy once you just follow the steps. The next thing you can do is then go into Wizebank, and then you will look at the different settings in terms of integrations. And so Wizebank will ask you to integrate and connect all these different accounts. And so right now you can click on, if you want to add integrations, this Add Integrations button. And so I've already connected Thinkific. You can also connect your payment processor to sort of track sales and revenue. So that's where you would install Stripe. I didn't because I didn't have any data because it's a demo account. Email marketing, so I can set up and connect MailChimp, or if I'm using ActiveCampaign, I can also go to Analytics and connect Google Analytics account so that they can track and give me data on how my website conversions are doing. And then once all that is done, I would click on Done. So if I were to select let's just go to the payment processor. If I wanted to click on Stripe, I just click on Install, and then it would click Install again, and it would ask me to sign in with my Stripe account. Let me sign in. And password has been populated, and then I can log in. And then this will send me a verification code, and just to make sure that this is the right login. So then I populated the authentication code, and now what I'm going to do is, now they ask me to select the account that I'd like to connect to Wizebank Analytics, and then click on connect. And it'll give me a few minutes. And then now you can see that it's been successfully installed. So I'm cool with that. So that's just the step for connecting Stripe. If you want to follow the same, you'll follow the same process in order to connect to the Thinkific account, email for MailChimp or Active Campaign, and Google Analytics. So once that's done, let's go back to our dashboard so that you can see how everything looks like. So this dashboard isn't very interesting. This is all a demo account, so there's really no real active data. But just to sort of summarize what we've said earlier, Wizebank Analytics gives you that kind of big picture in terms of revenue, a number of subscribers to your email list, and then conversion rates. These conversion rates in terms of people who are coming to your site and then signing up as paid users. The idea behind this and why you'd want to install this is because instead of having to go to your email list and download a report and having to go into Stripe and or download a report, same with Google Analytics, you just have this one dashboard where you kind of get this big picture. And so as you see, there's no really revenue because this is a demo account, but if I had anything, they would give me revenue details, which is really cool. It's telling me kind of like how I'm doing on a year-to-year basis. This is all pulled from Stripe in terms of average order value, refunds, and then net revenue. So it sort of gives you sort of that business analytics and business data of how you are doing and tracking refunds and what your net sales are. And then what I really appreciate that I think is really helpful for a lot of Thinkific customers is this conversion. So they pull this, once I'm connected to MailChimp or Active Campaign, they'll look at how many emails I've sent out, how many unique visits I'm getting from those emails to my site, and how many of them have become leads and then to customers. So they really do a great job of tracking this through my MailChimp, what the customer journey looks like from prospect to potential customer. And then the last two things that I want to highlight about why you'd want to use and connect and navigate with Wizebank to get all your business data is then it shows you this subscriber information. So they'll look at MailChimp and see, okay, how many subscribers am I getting on a day-to-day basis? And this is really useful because as you grow your business, you're really going to want to track, am I getting more hits to my website, and how is that converting into paid customers over a period of time? And so Wizebank gives you this kind of number based on the last 160 days. So it's not just, on a day-to-day basis, but it helps you kind of track that kind of performance so you can see how you're doing. And then last, this customers tab here will tell you based on how many sales from the revenue tab, what the actual customers are in a year-to-year basis. And so the cool thing is that then it kind of tells you, how many of these customers in your customer journey cycle become repeat customers. And that's kind of crucial because a lot of times we don't want to have one-time sales. We want to be able to turn a one-time customer into repeat customers. And then this just estimates the lifetime value of your repeat customers. So if you have a very high repeat purchase rate, then they translate that into an estimated dollar amount of what that customer is worth in terms of repeated sales over time. So basically, this is an overview of how you connect to Wizebank Analytics, the key business metrics that are being summarized and shown in your dashboard, and where this is coming from, specifically your payments such as Stripe, email, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp, or whatever other programs you use. Google Analytics for tracking your website conversions, and then also the customer journey cycle. And so remember that if you want to add or change any integrations, just click on settings and then click on integrations, and you can add more integrations beyond what's here. Or whatever integrations that you haven't added, you can click on the different tabs and be directed to connect to the program and have that kind of data all in one place. And so I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about Wizebank, how this can help you in your Thinkific business. Any questions, give us a like, subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd be looking for. Thanks for watching, and talk to you all soon.